Somewhere beyond the tall green grass, a tiny world is waking up at last. With gentle hands, he gathers each seed. He helps the garden with everything it needs. Every little drop is precious to behold, a wonderful story to be told. For him a blade of grass is like a forest tall, and every little step a great adventure's call. No burden is too heavy when it's shared. A team of friends who know how much they cared. The garden sleeps in safety and in peace. Their happy little world will never cease.